Are you looking for the best white PC cases in 2025? White is the color for people with great tastes. It is a color that most people would love to have on their PC, but finding the best white PC case is a hard job, and it's because there's a big room of collection available in white, making it difficult to find one with the best build quality and design. So to help you out, we have researched a list of the 5 best white PC cases available in 2025, which are best in build quality, features, and give a premium feel for making a gaming PC setup. I know that you're excited to grab one white PC case, so without wasting any more time, let's get started with our article. Number 1. Corsair iCUE 7000X RGB Full Tower ATX PC Case, White. The Corsair iCUE 7000X is one of the best white PC cases which we recommend you to buy in 2025. The entire case is made up of steel, making it strong and durable and giving a premium look to it. It comes with a tempered glass cover which gives you a full view of your system while also providing easy access to your motherboard. You can install two 140mm fans at the front with 4 RGB LED lighting, and this will create a premium feel to your PC setup by adding value to your gaming experience. The case has a pre-installed fan filter at the front which helps in preventing dust from entering your PC. The case is designed to support up to 12x 120mm cooling fans/radiators or 7x 140mm fans/radiators. There's also an option for installing a 360mm radiator at the top of this case. The case also comes with an advanced cable management system, giving you an easier way to route the cables behind your motherboard tray. With a windowed PSU shroud, this case looks great, especially when you are gaming with RGB fans from Corsair. You can also customize your PSU shroud for a better look. Overall, the case is a great deal for the price and its design. Number 2. Asus TUF Gaming GT501 White Edition Mid-Tower PC Case. The Asus TUF Gaming GT501 is one of the best white PC cases, which comes with a 5mm thick tempered glass and a custom TUF gaming spatter pattern. The case is made up of steel, making it sturdy and durable while also giving it a premium feel to your gaming setup. With its 4mm thick, smoked, tempered glass side panel, you get an excellent view of your system. You can install up to 4x 120mm fans at the front, which will give great airflow to your gaming PC. The case supports m-ATX motherboards, and you can install a 360mm radiator at the top and front along with a 120mm radiator on the bottom. The case comes with 2x USB 3.1 ports at the front, giving your PC an excellent look. The problem I found with this case is its installation, which could be difficult for some people, but if you have some knowledge of building a PC, then it shouldn't be a problem for you. Overall, the case is a great option for your PC if you don't mind spending the extra bucks on its overall design. Number 3. Thermaltake AH T200 Snow m-ATX Open Frame Case. The Thermaltake AH T200 Snow helicopter-styled open-frame mid-tower case is perfect for modders. The case comes with a unique design with 3mm thick tempered glass panels from the front and 5mm thick from the side. The front panel of this case comes with 2x USB 3.0, 1x USB 2.0, and 1x Type-C, giving it an excellent look while giving you an option to connect your PC accessories at the same time. The top of this case comes with 2x 120mm fans, which are controlled by 2x RGB LED strips. This case supports m-ATX motherboards and can support up to a 360mm radiator at the top and front along with a 120mm on the bottom. There's also an air filter in the rear, so you don't have to worry about dust or anything reaching your PC components. Overall, this case is an excellent choice for any modder out there who wants a unique looking and stylish PC case. The only thing that I didn't like in this case is its price, which is a bit higher than other cases, but then again, for a case with such a design, you can't expect to get it for cheap. Number 4. Thermaltake S100 Snow Edition Micro-ATX Mini Tower Case. The Thermaltake H200 Snow Edition ATX Mid-Tower Case is an excellent case with a good design and features. It comes with 2x USB 3.0 ports at the front along with 2x 120mm fans at the front which provide excellent airflow to your PC components. The case supports m-ATX motherboards and you can install a 360mm radiator at the top and front along with a 240mm radiator on the bottom. The case also comes with one 120mm fan pre-installed at the rear. The problem I found with this case is its installation, which could be difficult for some people, but if you have some knowledge of building a PC then it shouldn't be a problem for you. Overall, the case is an excellent choice for any modder out there who wants an excellent looking and stylish PC case. However, I would recommend this case only to seasoned builders as it might be a bit difficult for those who are new to building PCs. Number 5. NZXT H510 Compact ATX Mid-Tower PC Case, White/Black. The NZXT H510 is one of the best white PC cases we would recommend for you to buy in 2025. The entire case is made up of steel with a transparent tempered glass cover to give you a premium feel when you install RGB fans or even a water cooling system. The case comes with a hard drive cage and a PSU shroud which serves as dust filters. You can install dual radiators up to 240mm in size along with a 240mm liquid cooling radiator at the front which helps with cooling your components like CPU and graphics card. You can also install an AIO cooler at the top of this case. It also has a removable motherboard bracket which helps you in installing your motherboard. There's a huge cutout at the front of this case which allows you to install 2 fans as well as a radiator. Being one of a great deal for budget white PC cases in our list, the look and its design make your PC stand out from the crowd. This is a stylish case with a beautiful white PC case and there's no doubt that you will love it.